Children, you all are familiar with the Rubik's Cube. It's a cube. Actually, it's a cube. All sides are equal in length. For these elements of this cube are, here this is edge. Here this is edge. That is the joining point of these two sides. Okay, then we will get edge. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges. Then this side here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many edges are there? 12 edges are there for one cube. Then how many faces? What is a face? The plane surface of this cube. Here this is one face. Then second one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 faces are there. Okay. Now how many corners? How many vertices are there? What is vertices? Here when two lines are joining, line segments or lines anyway, then we will get a shape like this way. This joining point is known as vertices or corner. Vertices, vertex. If it is only one, we can say that is vertex. So vertex will be there. Then how many faces? 6 faces are there. Then 12 edges are there. Okay. Now how many vertices will be there? Here more than one vertex will be there. So we can say vertices. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 are there. 8 vertices. Okay. How many are there? 8 vertices. Clear you? All sides are equal in length. That is the length from here to here, here to here, everywhere. Okay. Then that is the cube. Clear you? Then we can make a cube by using a square sheet with 19.5 centimeter side. The length of one side will be 19.5. It's a square sheet, so all sides will be 19.5. Clear? 19.5. Here also 19.5 centimeter. Okay, that is the length of this square sheet. Now we can measure this one. 0, then 19.5. Clear? Now, how can we make this one? Here, first we have to fold this into equal 4 layers. Okay. 4 equal parts. Now, this way. Clear? After then, we have to fold this corner. Okay. This corner we have to fold. Like that way, this corner we have to fold. Now we fold these two corners. One is left and one is here. Okay. After then, we have to fold this way. Clear? And from top to here also we have to fold. Got it? Then we have to fold. Then from here to here we have to fold like this way. Clear you? After then we have to take this piece, this part and keep it inside of this. Okay. Then first we fold it here. Then take this part, open this, then keep it inside of this fold. Clear you? Now we will get like this one shape. Then fold this part to here and fold this part to here. Press it properly. Clear? You have to press it properly. Now we will get a shape like this. Okay, this is the one face of this cube. So we have to make like these 6 papers. Okay, then we will get like this one shape now. So that shape we can keep like this way. Okay, clear? Then this part we can keep it in like this same one another sheet. Okay, we have to make 6 shapes. Then we will get a cube. Clear? So one thing, now we made a cube. This is one face only, a cube with the 19.5 centimeter square sheet. Now, what is the length of this cube? What will be the length? Here we can make the measure of this side by using scale. Now this is 7 centimeter. We have studied if one edge is 7 centimeter, all edges will be 7 centimeter because it's a cube. This is a face of cube. That means this face will be here. Okay, this type of 6 papers we need to make, then join that. Now we can write the page number 194. How big is your cube? How long is the side of your cube? We found that was 7 centimeter. Then how many centimeter cubes can be arranged along its? How many centimeter cubes can be arranged along it? That is, one small cube was here. Okay. Then the side will be 1 centimeter. This type of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 for here, then 7 for here. Clear? 7 numbers of cubes. So 7 centimeter length, 7 centimeter width. Okay. Then 7 centimeter height. Clear? Then the question is to make the first layer on the table. How many centimeter cubes will I use? That is, here 7, then here also 7. Now that type of 7 we needed to complete here. Here also 7. So 7 times 7, 49 cubes. Clear? Then that means centimeter cube. Clear? Then how many such layers will I need to make? So that type of how many layers will be there? 7 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 layers we need to make. So the total number of cubes. Total how many cubes needed? Here 49 multiplied by 7 layers. That is equal to 343. How? That is 49 multiplied by 7. 9 sevens are 63. Then 6 will be there. 4 sevens are 28. 28 plus 3, 34. That is 343 cubes, centimeter cubes. The volume of the paper cube is same as, what will be the volume? Because we found the length. Here will be 7, here will be 7, all places will be 7. That is 343. How can we find here? How can we find the volume? We have to multiply length, then width, also height. That is the volume of a cube. Length into width into height. That is equal to 343. Here length, width, height are same in this case. That is cube. Okay. So that is 7 centimeter. So 7 times length is equal to 7, width is equal to 7. That also we have to multiply. Then height also will be 7. 7 sevens are 49. 49 times 7, 343. So we have to remember one unit, that is, in case of perimeter, we will say that unit only. If it is centimeter, we will say that centimeter. or if it is meter, we will say that meter. If it is millimeter, we will say millimeter itself, or kilometer or anything. That is in case of perimeter. But in case of area, how can we say? We have to say centimeter square, millimeter square, meter square, kilometer square, and so on. But here, in case of volume, we are multiplying length, width, and height. So, here, the unit will be cubic centimeter or cubic millimeter. 3 will be up of this, okay? Then cubic meter or anyway, any unit, that is cubic unit. Okay. Anand made a big cube having double the side of your paper cube. That is, first we got 7 centimeter. Now, this is double of that. So, 2 times 7, that is 14 centimeter will be the side of Anand's cube. Okay. So, 14 centimeter. Then we can arrange 14 centimeter reached here. So, 14 and here also 114. So, we can arrange here also 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 cubes we can arrange in first layer. Then, such type of 4 paper cubes we needed. So, 2 such layers will be there. So, here also will be there. Clear? Then here also. Then that type of how many we can keep? That is 8 cubes we can keep in this cube. Okay. 8 cubes. We can arrange 8 cubes. Clear? So, next question. Ganesh and Dinga want to pack 4000 centimeter cubes. Here 4 paper cubes will be there in first layer. 4 paper cubes. Okay, 4 paper cubes in one layer. Then that type of 2 layers will be there. So we can multiply 2 times 4. That is 8 cubes. Okay. Now Ganesh and Dinga want to pack 4000 centimeter cubes in boxes. 4000 centimeter cubes are there. Then these are to be sent to a school. There are 3 different boxes available for packing. So, we know that how can we find the volume of a shape? We have to multiply length, width and height. So, here we have to multiply 20, then length 20, width 10 and 6. Okay, that is the height. Length, width and height. 20 times 10, 200. 200 times 6, 6 2s are 12. Then 2 zeros. That much cubic centimeter. That is centimeter cube. Here 3 different boxes are there. For first box can carry 1200 cubes. Okay, centimeter cubes. Here next one 11 length. Then 11 centimeter width. Then 10 centimeter height. So length into width into height. That is 11 times 11 times 10. That is 11 11s are 121. Then keep there one more 0. Clear? That is the volume of this second cube. Second box. Here the length of this box is 15. Then the width is 9. 15 times 9, that is 5 9s are 45. 4 will be there. 1 9 is 9. 9 plus 4, 13. Then multiplied by 10. Length into width into height. Clear? Then 1350. Total. What is the total? Here we have to add all this. Here 1200 plus 1210. This one. These three we have to add. Okay. 1350. Got it? We can add. So this is 0. Then 1 plus 5, 6. Here 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Here we got the total is 3760 centimeter cube. But we need to pack 4000 cubes. So this is less than 4000. That is 3760 is less than 4000. Clear? Now we can say here two children are saying something. What is that? Dinga said that we'll be able to fit all 4000 cubes in these 3 boxes. I think we need one more box for it. But at that time, Ganesh said, I think there is enough space in these boxes to pack all 4000 cubes. Who said it correctly? Here, he said, Dinga said he need one more box. Then Ganesh said that is enough. These 3 boxes are enough. What about you? Here we found the volume of each boxes separately. Then we add the volume of these 3 boxes. What is the total volume of these 3 boxes? That is 3760. 3760 is less than 4000. So these 3 boxes are not enough for 4000 cubes. Now we can say Dinga said correctly. Okay. Who is right? Dinga is right. Okay. 3 boxes are not enough for 4000 cubes. Clear? Now we can find the volume of our mathematics book, that is for this textbook. Okay, now we can measure the length of this book. That is 0. Here this is 27. Okay, 27. So we can write it as 27 centimeter. Here, so 27 cubes will fit along its length. 27 cubes. Okay. So the width of this book is 21. Okay. Now we can write it's about approximate only. Okay. That is 21 centimeter. So wide. So 21 cubes will fit along the width. 21 cubes. That is the side of that cube will be 1 centimeter. Small cubes. Okay. Here 27. That is the side will be not this much big. A small cube with 1 centimeter length. Okay. So the total how many will be there? That is 27 for here, from here to there, and from here to here 21. Now we can multiply 27 and 21. So 27 multiplied by 21, that is 27 times 1, that is 27 itself. Then 27 multiplied by 2, that is 54. That is 567. So we can write 567 centimeter cubes will fit on the mathematics book. Now if all these cubes are arranged in one line, then how long will that line be? That is from here to here. We are keeping 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter and such type of how many cubes we have to keep? 67 cubes. 567 cube. So here the centimeter, total centimeter will be 567 centimeter. Clear? So, a stage platform is made with 5 mathematic books. So, how many? 5 mathematic book. So, one book has 567 cubes. The volume of this stage is, how can we find? We have to multiply length, width and height. So that we can find here the width will be 1 centimeter. Okay, that is we have to multiply here with 1. So 27 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 567. So this is the volume of one book. But we need 5 mathematic books. So multiplied by 5. What will be the answer? We can multiply 567 by 5. So 35, 5 will be there, 30, then 30 plus 3, 33, 3 will be there, then 5 5s are 25 plus 3, 28. So 2835 centimeter will be the platform of this stage with the mathematic books. How many books? 5 books. Clear? Then now we can guess the volume of these things in centimeter cubes. So a matchbox is about approximate only. Okay. Now we can say a matchbox that will be 5 centimeter to here, length, then width and height. Okay. So we can multiply these three. That is 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 1, that is 20. So 20 centimeter cubes. A geometry box is about, maybe we can say this is 17 centimeter. Here will be 6 centimeter. Then from here to here will be 1 centimeter. Now we can multiply 17 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 1. Then 17 times 6. What is the answer? 6 7s are 42. 4 will be there. 6 times 1, 6 itself. Then 6 plus 4, 10. 102 centimeter cubes is the volume of this geometry box. Now an eraser is about, here we can say that is 3 centimeter. From here to here 1 centimeter. Then from here to here 2 centimeter. So we have to multiply that 3. So that is 6 centimeter cube. Now eraser is here. Now we can measure that by using here. This one will be 3 centimeter. Okay. Here this will be 3 centimeter. And from here to here that is 1 centimeter. Then from here to here that is nearly 2 centimeter. Now we can take this one as 2 centimeter. Clear? Now Tanu is making a stage with matchboxes. She first puts 14 matchboxes like this in the first layer. 14 matchboxes. Okay. This is the way for that layer. Then she makes 4 such layers. And her stage looks like this. That is like this way. So, number of matchboxes in one layer will be 14. That type of 4 layers are there. So, what will be the total? 4 times 14. That is equal to 56. So, we can say 56 matchboxes to make this stage. Then, next one. the volume of one matchbox is same as 10 centimeter cubes. Then the volume of this stage is same as total 56 matchboxes are there. The volume of one matchbox is 10 centimeter cube. But according to our matchbox measurement, this is 5 centimeter length. Okay, the length is 5 centimeter, and from here to here that is 4 centimeter. Okay, and then this height, that is 1 centimeter only. According to this one, we got it as 20 centimeter cubes. Okay, so 20 centimeter cubes. Now we can change this one as the volume of one matchbox is same as 20 centimeter cubes. Okay, according to our measurement, we can change this 10 centimeter into 20 centimeter cubes. So, then the volume of this stage is same as total how many matchboxes needed? 56 matchboxes needed. So, we can multiply 56 multiplied by 20. That is 56 times 2. That is 112. Then one more 0. That much centimeter cubes. Got it? Then, if all the cubes are arranged in a line, how long will that line be? If all the cubes are arranged in a line, how long will that line be? That is, the length of this matchbox is 5 centimeter. If we are arranging this one into one by one, we will get 5 times total number of matchboxes are 56. That is equal to 280. So, the total length will be 280 centimeter. Then, the next question, which has more volume? Your Mathmagic book or Tanu's platform? It's clear. Tanu's platform has 1120 centimeter cubes volume. Then, but our Mathmagic book has the volume with 567 centimeter cube. So, it's very clear. 1120 is greater than 567. Now, we can say Tanu's platform has more volume than our Mathmagic book. Is it clear for you? I think you got more ideas about the volume. How can we find the volume? That is length into breadth into width. Okay. Thank you.